Hello everyone, I am Sarvari Joshi and you are welcome to my math segment. A solution for very tough question often asked. Let's learn this. This question is usually asked in many competitive exams and many people skip it. But do you know, it is a very easy question. This question will definitely give you marks. Let's see what is the question. The question asked, which keeps everyone who solves it in shock, is divide numbers in which all the digits should be the same and the answer should be 37. We can add a mathematical sign. The same sign should be added 2 times in the denominator so as to keep all the digits same. Find 9 such pairs of numbers. Now everyone after reading this gets clueless that what to do. Let's learn the solution to this problem. Let's start with the first pair. The question might be complicated, but the solution is very easy. Let's take 1 as an example. By the condition of the question, all digits should be the same and 2 signs which are the same can be added in the denominator. So let's take the number as 1 and let's take the sign as positive. So we take it as 111, that is 101 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here all the digits in the questions are same, all the digits are same and 2 signs which are same are added in the denominator and we have got the answer as 37. Now we have to find 9 such pairs. So what we will do is, we will take the exact similar pairs of the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 keeping the sign same, which means 2, 2, 2 upon 2 plus 2 plus 2, 3, 3, 3 upon 3 plus 3 plus 3, and if we do all these calculations, we will know that the answer for all these calculations is the number 37. So we have satisfied all our question wanted. So the 9 pairs which we get is from number 1 to number 9, which is the number that is 111 or let's say 999 upon 9 plus 9 plus 9 adding 2 plus 9s. If we put all the numbers in the exact order like how we put 1, we get the answer as 37. So our problem is solved here. Thank you. Wasn't this easy?
So did you find this video helpful? Solve this kind of sums and share this video with all your friends. Do comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also turn on the bell icon. Bye bye.